Hello, welcome to AJ Fashions and Apparels. Today we are drafting basic bodice block, the half scale. So I have my pattern ready. Here I'll be drafting the front block first. On this front block, I divided my pattern paper into two for the front and the back block using my bust measurements circumference divided by 4 plus 1 inch. I went ahead to take my shoulder measurement divided by 2, which is 8 inches. I also took my chest line measurement from shoulder to my chest line. I have 9 inches. I'm taking this measurement on both sides of the pattern paper so that I will have straight line. And also I'll go ahead to take the nipple point measurement, which is the bust point. From shoulder to bust point I have 12 inches. I mark on both sides and I roll out those lines, my chest line, my bust line, and my waist line, my waist measurement. On the shoulder slope, I came down by 1.5 inch on my front shoulder and I connected it to the basic block, the basic neckline block, which is 3 by 3. I measure my shoulder divided by 2 also on my chest line and I connected from the shoulder slope to my chest line. So after that, I went ahead to mark 3.5 inch and I go in by 0.75 to avoid gaping on the front armhole. Then I went ahead to take my bust measurement divided by 4. I took my bust measurement divided by 4 and I marked it. After that, I took my armhole curve to get the perfect curve for the armhole. I'm trying to place it well to get the perfect curve for the armhole. So after that, I went ahead to take my body's measurements, the bust and the waist divided by 4, and I marked the line. Sorry, this part was not recording, I don't know. I took my nipple to nipple point, which is the bust span divided by 2. It was 4 inches. And I went ahead to take 0.75 on my waist dart on both sides and connected to 1 inch below the bust line. I took my bust dart of 1 inch. The difference between my front and back block is 1 inch. Then I went ahead to label the front block. I extended the chest line and the bust line to the back block. And then I went ahead to measure my shoulder line, shoulder divided by 2, which is 8 inches. Also my shoulder divided by 2 as well on the chest line, and I connected from shoulder to the chest line to have a straight line. On the shoulder slope for the back, I went down on my shoulder by 1 inch instead of 1.5 for the front because the back shoulder is higher than the front shoulder. And I took the neck width of 3 inches and neck depth of 1.5 inch. I marked the round neck for the back block. And I connected the shoulder slope to the width of the neckline. Then I took the midpoint of the armhole line. I went in by 0.5 inch. And I also, before connecting the armhole, I took my bust measurement divided by 4. After taking the bust measurement divided by 4, I used a straight ruler to connect the tip of the shoulder slope to the 0.5 inch on the midpoint, and I cut the rest to meet the bust divided by 4. So I went ahead to label my pattern. On the hem line of the waist, I came in by 0.5 inch and I connected it in a slant line. I connected it in a slant line to the midpoint of the back chest line, the midpoint of the back chest line on the zipper allowance part. I marked this 0.5 inch out to avoid gaping, to avoid bulging when I fix the zipper after transferring this pattern to fabric. So I shaded that part, and from that part here where I'm pointing at, I'll be taking my zipper allowance, which is 1.5 inch. From that part, yes, I'll mark 1.5 inch up. After marking the 1.5 inch up, I will use a straight line to connect it and complete it. I will complete the neckline of the back. I will extend the neckline to the zipper part. So I'll go ahead to cut out the front block. I'll separate it from the back block. Then I will add that to the back block. After adding that, then we are done with the pattern. Here I'm slashing through to the bust point, the bust dart, and I close the bust dart because the front block is 1 inch longer than the back block because of our bust dart. So I'm matching it up here. So I'll go ahead to use pin because my seal tape is not here with me. I'll go ahead to use pin to hold it. Can you see that? And I'll match the side of the front and back block together. You can see. After slashing the 1 inch bust that we have equal sides. So we now have issue of the front is longer than the back when we transfer this pattern to fabric. And I went ahead to mark the back that, and our pattern is ready. Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to my channel. See you later.